What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another rotisserie chicken recipe. This is your boy, Professor Pechugas, and we're gonna go back to breakfast and we're gonna be talking about a rotisserie chicken egg sandwich. I'm gonna go over some of the ingredients that we're gonna be using this week for this recipe. Sourdough bread, I'm gonna use 2 loaves. Obviously, we got our rotisserie chicken. And then this is an egg sandwich, so we're gonna be using some eggs, some rolls. I like to use 3 eggs. Reason being, and I went over this in a previous video, the first ever video when I made my chicken egg scramble. For men, for those of you who are watching this video, the yolk in the egg is a healthy fat, and it's a precursor. The cholesterol in the egg is a precursor to testosterone production. So whenever you have usually when you're going to bed and you have melatonin being secreted and your body's recovering, that's when you have that happening. And then also, as you go about your day and you're exercising, specifically, when you're lifting heavy weights, usually when you get that testosterone production being released throughout your body. So 3 is a good rule of thumb for me, for men in general. Women can have it too. I think 3 might be a little bit excessive because I know women tend to hold more fat in their body. So maybe 2 eggs is fine. So 2 whole eggs, or maybe 1 if you know that you're prone to get a lot of cholesterol in your body. However, I do not recommend you have 3 eggs daily if you don't exercise. You want to be moving. If you don't move your body,
that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my.
Yeah, it could be deleterious to cholesterol levels in your body and cause poor circulation. So keep that in mind. So in addition to the eggs that we're going to be having, we're going to use a spread so we can put on our loaves of bread. I like to use 1 of 2 spicy brown mustard. It's something that I like to use a lot.
How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot.
And you guys seen me use hummus before. The reason why I like these 2 specifically is because they're low calorie, have a lot of flavor, give your food a lot of flavor, and in addition, doesn't have a lot of salt. So if you look at this one, right, you have 70 calories, as you'll see right there, and then it only has 120 milligrams of salt or sodium, so not a whole lot. Tastes great, good for you. It gives you some flavor. Same thing with the mustard. Mustard has 60 milligrams of salt, so you'll see that in the label. And then it's only 5 calories, so amazing. Like, spicy brown mustard is probably like one of the best things you can use to add flavor to your food when it's a little bland, especially when you're doing those lean cuts and you're having a lot of veggies, stuff with broccoli, asparagus. This is a great way to add flavor to your food without you having it taste so bland. So we're also going to be adding spinach as a mid-base. I'm almost done with this bag of spinach, but wash some spinach leaves and then layer it onto the sandwich. All right, let's put it all together. Step 1, toast the buns, just like that. Boom. Step 2, cook the eggs.
Step 3, add the mustard to the buns, just like that. Same thing on the other side. So we're running low on the mustard. Look at that.
Step 4, add the spinach. Boom. All right, up to this point, what we've done is toast the buns, which you see right here. Add the mustard to the bread. Wash the spinach leaves, and now they're on the sandwich. We're gonna top it off with measuring out 8 ounces of rotisserie chicken. Actually, we're gonna do 6 because we have protein that we're gonna get from the eggs. So tally that up. We'll probably hit around 50 grams, a little over 50 grams. So we're gonna go ahead and slice up our rotisserie chicken, which is right here. Damn, look at that. It's Thanksgiving week, so Probably we're gonna be eating a lot of bird this week. Rotisserie chicken, cut out 6 ounces, and then layer it on top of the sandwich. So let's go ahead and get that done. I said 6, but we're gonna go ahead and do 7. So we got 7 ounces of chicken. Let's go ahead and layer it onto the sandwich. All right, so we got the chicken layered on this sandwich. Man, look at that. Look at that layering job. Woo! Look at that. And then all that's left is layer out the eggs on top of this, split it down the middle, and take a bite. Alrighty, so we got the eggs. Layer it on top. Sheesh, look at that beauty. And then we're just gonna go ahead and layer everything on top. Ladies and gentlemen, rotisserie chicken egg sandwich. Ooh, look at that. Thing's thicker than a Snicker. All right, all that's left is time to take a bite.
Oh yeah.
All right, everybody, thanks so much for tuning in for this week's recipe. If you want to get more recipes that I've conjured up in the past, go ahead and check out one of these 2 videos. I go over different recipes that you can make for lunchtime, breakfast, and then even a second lunch or dinner time. If you found this video helpful, share it with some of your friends who are looking to meal prep, stay on top of their game so you can get the physique that you're after. All right, and as always, we'll see you on the next video.